In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a code toolkit in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, searchable library of reusable code snippets you can rely on for any project. Start by creating a new page in Notion and turning it into a database. Type /gallery if you like card-style browsing with big, scannable previews, or /table if you prefer a compact spreadsheet-style list. Either option works, and you can always add the other as an additional view later. Give your database a clear name, so it's obvious what lives here. And you are ready to set up the structure. Next, add a few essential properties to keep everything organized. Create a multi-select property called language, so you can tag a snippet with one or more languages, like Python, JavaScript, or SQL. Add a select property called category to label the snippet's purpose, such as front-end, API, database, or utility. Add a date property called last used. This helps you sort and see what's still relevant. Finally, add a relation property named project, which links a snippet to specific projects you already track in Notion. With these in place, you'll be able to filter, sort, and find the right code at the right time. Inside each database item, set up a template, so every snippet is documented the same way. Open the database, create a new template, and you'll add 3 parts. First, insert the code block. Type /code. Paste your snippet and choose the correct language from the drop-down to turn on proper syntax highlighting. This makes scanning and debugging much easier. Second, add a description section beneath it. Use this space to explain what the snippet does, when to use it, and any assumptions it makes. Note expected inputs and outputs, performance considerations, or edge cases. A few sentences here can save a lot of guesswork later. Third, add metadata using Notion's caption feature on the code block. Click the code block. Toggle the caption and jot quick notes like a short version tag, a brief change note, or a reference to a standard or doc. Because the caption travels with the code, it's perfect for quick at-a-glance context without cluttering your description. Now, each time you add a snippet, use your template, tag it with language and category, link it to a project, and update last used when you apply it in real work. Over time, your toolkit becomes a powerful, living resource you can filter by language, sort by recency, and browse confidently. That's it, your Notion code toolkit is ready. Save time, stay consistent, and keep your best solutions a click away. Thanks for watching.